Imagine running your entire business from a single screen. Your customers, your money, your team, your projects, your inventory, your payroll, all talking to each other, all in one place. No more jumping between 5 different tools. No more lost data. No more chaos. That is exactly what Prime CRM was built to do. Let us take the tour. The moment you log in, everything you need is right in front of you. Revenue this month, outstanding invoices, expenses, net profit, live and up to date. Below that, a quick snapshot of your customers, leads, projects, support tickets, payroll and stock levels. Charts showing your revenue versus expenses over time. Your lead pipeline by stage. Recent invoices, recent payments. If it matters to your business, it is on this screen. And if you run multiple branches, switching between them takes one click. Let us start with your customers. Every client you have lives here, full profiles, complete transaction history, account statements, and organized into groups. And for every customer, you can store individual contacts, the actual people you deal with day to day. Now your leads, this is where new business begins. You can view your pipeline as a clean list or switch to a Kanban board and drag leads from stage to stage as deals progress. Want leads to come in automatically? Set up a web-to-lead form, embed it on your website, and watch prospects land directly in your CRM without lifting a finger. When a deal closes, convert the lead to a customer in one click. Once you have a customer, you need to deliver. That is where projects and tasks come in. Create a project, add your team, set milestones, build a Gantt chart for your timeline, hold discussions, post notes, everything for that project in one place. Each task has an assignee, a priority, a status, comments, and a built-in time tracker, so your team logs hours directly against the work they are doing. And when it is time to get paid, Prime CRM makes it effortless. Create a professional invoice, add your line items and taxes, and send it to your client by email in seconds. Your client gets a secure link where they can view the invoice and pay online. M-Pesa and Paystack are built right in. You can set up recurring invoices for retainer clients, send payment reminders, record payments, download PDFs, and track every invoice from draft all the way to paid. Before the invoice comes the estimate. Send your client a quote, they approve or reject it online, and when they say yes, you convert it to an invoice instantly. Need something more detailed for a big deal? Use proposals, rich, professional documents your client signs off on digitally. All contracts are managed the same way. Write it, send it, your client signs it online, and you track renewals, download PDFs, and manage the full life cycle without printing a single page. Your clients will have questions. When they do, they raise a support ticket through a public link, no account needed. Your team replies, assigns, prioritizes, and resolves. And for the questions that come up again and again, publish a knowledge base so clients can find answers themselves before a ticket is even raised. Inside your team, Prime CRM keeps everyone aligned. Broadcast announcements to all staff instantly, post updates on the company newsfeed, schedule with the calendar, create events with attendees, send surveys to collect feedback, set business goals and track progress. Everything your team needs to stay connected and moving in the same direction. Now let us talk about your people. The staff module controls who is in the system and what they can do, with granular roles and permissions so every person only sees what they are supposed to see. The Employees module holds full HR profiles for your entire workforce, organized by department and designation. Generate salary slips, mark them paid, and share them as PDFs. Leave management is fully built in. Employees request leave, managers approve or reject it, and balances update automatically. You define leave types, policies, entitlements, and approval rules exactly the way your company works. Attendance is tracked with check-ins and check-outs, timesheets, overtime approvals, geofencing zones, attendance policies, holiday calendars, and full audit logs. Shifts are defined and assigned to each employee. And when payroll comes around, you process the entire run inside Prime CRM, salary components, structures, tax policies, social security, approval, and payment, all documented and reportable. Behind all of this sits a full double-entry accounting engine. Chart of accounts, journal entries, vendor bills, bank accounts, bank reconciliation, and budgets. Your income statement and balance sheet are generated automatically from every transaction in the system. For procurement, the workflow is clean and controlled. A staff member raises a purchase requisition. A manager approves it. You send a request for quotation to your suppliers. When you choose one, you raise a purchase order, send it, receive the goods, and the system records everything. Nothing gets purchased without the right authorization. Suppliers and their contracts live in their own modules, with activation, termination, and renewal tracking built in. Inventory tracks every item, every stock movement, every shipment, and every adjustment through a complete stock ledger. Company assets are registered and monitored. Business documents are stored, categorized, and access controlled. And the media library holds every file uploaded across the entire system. Communication is covered too. Send emails right from the inbox. Connect your email accounts. Compose, reply, label, and manage attachments without leaving Prime's CRM. Send SMS messages to customers and staff directly. Connect Google Workspace and access your Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, and contacts from inside the system. And there is more. Generate custom QR codes with tracking and custom designs, create them in bulk, and organize them into folders. Build bi-link pages, mobile-friendly mini websites with custom content blocks and themes. Shorten any URL and track every click. Reports give you the full picture. Financial summary, income versus expenses, invoices, payments, expenses, tax, customers, leads, projects, tickets, all filterable, all exportable. And settings lets you configure every part of the system. Your company details, email setup, tax rates, payment modes, item catalog, expense categories, custom fields, email templates, currencies, lead and ticket settings, and full database backups you can download anytime. This is Prime CRM, built for businesses that are serious about growth, serious about their team, and serious about having everything in one place. If you want Prime CRM for your business, the links are in the description below. Reach out to us at Tree Tech Web Solutions and let us get you set up. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.